In this lesson, we want to introduce a stamp tool. This tool is actually the large library of 2D graphic models. As you can see, there are a large library here. We check the categories: activity, business, food and drink, holiday, and a lot of library. Check out all of these that have the following practical and useful element that you can use in your work. Just check all the categories. There are amazing 2D graphic in this category. Okay. And as you can see, there is a lot of it. Okay. And choose one. And every time that you click on a page, it creates a graphic element for you. For example, choose another one. Click. You can create it. And you can move and resize them. Okay. And you can also insert your own graphic element from Organize Stamp here. In the window that opens, click Add a Stamp and select the JPEG or PNG from your system. And you can also select a folder that contains all of your designed files. Okay, we choose our logo. Now your models are imported in My Stamp category. Here, select it and click. Only pay attention to the dimension of your design that are not too big. For example, my logo is too big. You can resize it. Okay. In its settings, you can control amount of the shadow and its settings, which is explained in previous lesson and we will not repeat it. And the opacity, the amount of fade. Okay, this is Stamp Library. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.